Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the third part of the video series. And in this video series, we will learn how we can implement swipe to reload the page and also check that if the internet connection is available or not. If not available, we will not loading the website, so it cannot show that web page is not available, right? Like that thing. We doing this. We can load something custom image or something like that in next video, but for that video we will start implementing the swipe to reload. So just add the swipe to reload swipe refresh layout, which can be match parent by match parent, and give it a id. And inside this layout we just place the web view. Now initialize. Now here we are going to pass the layout to the set WebView client, so we can access that from that class. So add it in the constructor and just use the constructor as it is. And now we are going to set refreshing as true when the page is started, and then we are going to set it false when the page is loaded fine. And also here we are just going to set the listener so it can listen that and start reloading the page. I think all is done. Okay, let's run this application and let's see our swipe to reload the page is working or not. So here it is the page. Okay, this is working. So let's see, just play a video and then reload the page, and it's reloading the same page. It's quite easy, right? Okay, let's start adding the check internet connection facility to our application. For that, firstly we need to add the permission. So open your manifest file and add access network state permission, and now come to the Java class and add this code. So if it checks if the internet connection is available, then it will load the website to the web view. Otherwise it will show a toast and didn't load anything, so the page will remain blank. No other kind of text is showing there. So let's run this application. The first time it is loading, so when it first started my internet connection is available, so that's why it load the website, as you can see there. But let me close this application and turn off my internet connection first, and then I will close this application. And now let's open this application again. Right now I don't have any kind of internet connection, so as you can see that it will show me the toast and the page is stay blank, nothing is showing there. So that's mean the page is not available right now. So let's turn on the internet and reload. The page is not working right now because it cannot be handle that. We need to close the application and turn on again. And right now the page is loaded. In the next video I will show you how we can show a custom no internet page and also try again button, so the page can be loaded if the internet is available. So meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.